6.41 inches AMOLED display protected by Gorilla Glass of 6th generation. Most powerful processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845. Up to 8 gigabytes of fast LPDDR4X memory and up to 256 gigabytes of UFS 2.1 ROM memory with support to dual lane. 3,700 milliamp hours battery with fast charge and 38 global bands with support for MIMO 4x4. 16 plus 20 megapixel cameras on the back with optical image stabilization and electronic image stabilization with focal of 1.7 and front camera with 16 megapixel. And on top of it all, Oxygen OS based on Android Pie. All right, let's read.
So the OnePlus 6T will start at $37,999. And here are the prices for all the other variants.